In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your user ID and password in QuickBooks Online. This is a crucial task if you've forgotten your login details or simply want to update your credentials for added security. Let's make this process as effortless as possible by walking you through each step. First, you'll want to head over to the official QuickBooks website. You can do this easily by typing QuickBooks Online Login into your preferred search engine and selecting the official link that appears. Once on the QuickBooks homepage, look for the Sign In option, usually located at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. After clicking Sign In, enter your existing account details to log in. If you're unable to remember these, there's a link for Forgot Your User ID or Password, which can initiate a recovery process. However, assuming you have access, proceed to log in to your account. Once logged in, navigate to your profile by clicking on your avatar or any icon that represents your account, typically found at the top right side of the page. Now select the option Manage Your Intuit Account from the drop-down menu. This will redirect you to the account management area where we can make the necessary adjustments. In the account management section, locate and click on Sign In and Security. This is where you can manage all aspects of your account security, including changing your user ID and password. You'll want to start by focusing on the user ID. Find and click the User ID section to proceed. You'll now see an option to enter a new user ID. Type in the new ID you would like to use, making sure it meets any criteria Intuit may require for user IDs. After entering it, you will likely need to confirm it by typing it again in a designated field. Doing so enhances security by ensuring there were no typographical errors. After you've set your new user ID, click the Save button to apply these changes. Ensure everything is correct before hitting Save because this will update your account's login information. With the user ID updated, let's move on to changing the password. Look for the Password section under Sign In and Security and click on it. You will be prompted to type in a new password, which should be strong and distinct from any password you currently use elsewhere. Consider using a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters for added security. After entering your new password, you'll need to confirm it by typing it again in a subsequent field. Once you've ensured both fields match and your password is strong, click on Save to finalize the change, and that's it. You've successfully reset your user ID and password in QuickBooks Online. Remember to keep your login details secure and, if possible, use additional security measures like two-factor authentication to further protect your account. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.